This one's gonna be Scary Comp V50, Bizarre Bub.
The following video shows a couple who are getting ready for bed when something downright terrifying is caught on camera. The footage comes from an indoor home security camera that the couple had installed inside their bedroom. After the chilling events of that night, they sent this video to a friend who looked it over and concluded that what
Friend's hand, not a demon hand.
happened in their home is beyond explanation.
I don't like this camera setup right here. Like in the bedroom? For what?
Needless to say, the friend had found the video to be disturbing. At the start of the clip, we can see both partners doing their nightly routine. One's at the foot of the bed, while the
I mean, I'm setting up. We don't see too much of your nightly routine. We don't need all that.
other is inside the bathroom. Then, minutes later, the partner who is inside the
Damn, he all tatted up.
bathroom joins the other in bed.
That's like full on. That's whole body.
It isn't until seconds later that we see both partners fully in bed. However, it is at this
You think they just set up like that? Ain't no way, dude. This is totally fake.
moment that something disturbing is caught on camera. This is what was caught.
Bro, I need that to be bigger, bro. My eyes are not gonna be able to do that. All right, I'll figure that out. I'm not gonna bother with it yet. I don't know why I don't. Oh, okay, or not. Whatever. I was trying to read it.
Es que todo fue tan rápido, hermano. Todo fue tan rápido.
Bro, if I'm the friend, I'm gonna be like, why am I looking at a video of y'all in bed right now? Like,
Mira, todo estaba tranquilo. Ni me apagan las luces como que Juanca como que siente algo, no sé, por la espalda. Mira, no, esa me creo que. Uy, ¿lo viste?
Nah.
¿Viste? Mírame la piel. Mira, lo que.
nah.
Algo, no sé, por la espalda. Mira, no, esa me creo que. Uy, ¿lo viste? ¿Viste? Mírame la piel.
Nah, y'all just, and then it's like more convincing to watch the video after the fact. I don't think so. I do not think so. Nah. Every time it's a camera and it's in a weird spot that's like not an entry door, I'm immediately not buying it. And then y'all are just gonna keep pointing and the whole video. Like, what? We don't need it.
The following video shows a real estate agent showcasing a property on camera when something downright creepy is caught on tape. The footage comes from a YouTube channel owned by a real estate broker named Santiago Sanchez, who's been uploading videos of homes that are up for sale.
Okay.
By filming these properties and putting them on his channel, Santiago has been able to sell most homes. However, out of all the homes he's filmed, there's one in particular that he doubts will ever be sold. On June 15th of 2015, Santiago had posted a video unlike any other
Bro, they just let you go as a realtor.
he's
though.
posted before. The video starts off with him standing in front of a house, seeming a bit scared, as he tells us that the owner had warned him not to go inside.
Just off the hoop being all like that, I mean, that looks haunted.
Me han dicho no entres, pero si quieres ir a grabarla, puedes grabar el vídeo, pero ten mucho cuidado, no salte de la casa rápido. Casi me voy a atrever a entrar y
Nah, I wouldn't do it. I don't really believe in ghosts like that, but I wouldn't do it. I'd be like, nah, there's probably like some spirit that will follow me for the rest of my life if I walk in there.
este es el vídeo.
He like
According to the
died
owner,
2 weeks later.
he and his family had promptly left the house late one night after experiencing strange activity for months. Ever since then, the house has been vacant.
Bro, get in the house. This is taking forever. Get in the house.
Know that something downright creepy would happen while being inside. Upon entering the property, he smells a strong, foul odor that seems to linger throughout the house.
Well, that's actually...
He then walks over to the kitchen and sees that a colony of ants has taken over the sink. Now, according to the owner, there have been sudden infestations of flies and other insects throughout the home, which Santiago finds odd, as the house is practically new and therefore shouldn't have this problem. Although strange, it isn't as odd as what happened.
This house is new. That's the biggest bowl of shit I've ever been served. No, it is not. looked at the house, it's not new. I can tell you from this frame, it's not a new house.
Happens later in the footage. Take a look.
Insane claim.
No tenía por qué haber ningún tipo de insectos. Estamos en la cocina. Se puede ver cómo ellos
Oh, and this is like a 1.5 level. I hate those.
vaciaron toda la cocina rápidamente para irse corriendo. Está todo abierto. No han vuelto por esta casa. Yo
Bro, there'd be stuff all over the
no
place.
sé qué decir, pero pueden ver todavía pertenencias. Es raro.
This shit they didn't want to take.
Esto nunca se lo llevaron.
Ain't strange, bro.
No quiero alejarme mucho de la puerta, la verdad.
Yeah, clearly drawn.
Oh, esto está horrible, este lado. No sé cómo puede estar tan horrible en poco tiempo. Una de las cosas que noto es que hay un olor que está horrible, como podrido.
Santiago then proceeds to go inside a bedroom that has a hidden closet. The owner states that his family has felt a certain presence within this closet and has kept it shut for the longest time, until recently.
Oh, he's going deep into this house. I don't believe that he was like actually thinking there's anything here.
Feeling a bit spooked, he heads on over to the other rooms, where he begins to feel even more uneasy. What happens then has left him baffled. This is what he caught.
Aquí pueden observar dónde estaba el master bedroom, la habitación principal. Pueden ver que todavía hay cosas, pero pueden ver cómo rápidamente cogieron toda la ropa y se marcharon. Pueden ver ahí todas las perchas. Rápidamente sacaron toda la ropa, la cargaron en el coche y desaparecieron. Dejaron bastantes cosas detrás de ellos. Hay un olor extraño, como podrido en este área de la casa.
All right. Where is the...
Este es el otro cuarto, pueden observar. Todavía hay cosas, pertenencias. Bastante raro. Ahora lo que vamos a hacer va a ser aquí en la pared. Hay unas marcas en la casa, en varias áreas. Es como serían marcas, uñas de alguien que ha raspado, o definitivamente son algo raro que están rayadas las paredes en varias áreas. Esa es la... ok.
Bro, what happened? I mean, you're just walking around talking.
Lo que está ocurriendo en esta casa. Yo no creo, pero bueno, esta es la casa. Es muy, muy interesante. Y... yeah, mejor me voy saliendo ya de la casa. Pero otra vez, si necesitan comprar una casa, siempre miren el historial de las casas. Es muy importante, ¿ok?
Okay. That wasn't that great. I feel like that was so long.
Y ver, interesante. Y... yeah,
I don't know, dude. You just weren't looking at it at all. So I don't know. Genuinely don't know if you kicked it because it was conveniently right after you said you don't believe in this kind of stuff. Like, I don't buy that. That was just so long-winded. We didn't need all that. And then you go into the attic and not actually even opening it or going in, like...
had been caught on camera.
All right.
Next video speaks for itself. We can see 3 people who appear to be friends using what looks to be a Ouija board. Out of all paranormal videos, those involving Ouija boards often show footage of a session that goes wrong. That being said, this next video is no exception. This is what was caught.
Dude, do we even need that? A lot of these videos go wrong. This one too. Didn't need that. I don't even seem like you're doing this for real. What, is this fucking bear just gonna come alive? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's such ass quality too, so you can't see any of the wires or anything.
A stuffed toy moves on its own, but it seems that no one had noticed it. That is until later in the video when someone looks over.
Bro, and they in sync get up to run. I just don't buy it. Don't buy the reactions at all. It just doesn't seem real to me. I don't know. Usually they do a better job of this. I mean, there's no audio even. No. And then who's recording? Was this like set up on a tripod?
But it seems that no one had noticed it.
And then why in this spot? Like, no, there's too many questions. None of that makes any sense. So, oh boy. I think anything below Scary Comp 50, anything lower than 50 is just not good. There's one or two good ones, but...
This next video features a family of 3 who lives in a house that they believe is haunted. The family has experienced many strange occurrences inside this house, but out of all things encountered, there's one incident that is by far the creepiest. The following is the video they took. The video begins with the father of the family.
Oh my god, just get to the video. Oh. It takes so long, man. Some of the explanations. And then, oh, this one's really long. Why?
Who's recording with mom inside.
And right there in that room, that's where Rowan said that he saw a man inside there. And he sat in the pool right here. And he sat there staring up.
Babies do that shit. I've said that a billion times.
And he said, that's a man. And he kept looking in there and said, there's a man in there. So
if no one had been inside, then who or what did Rowan see? Rowan's mother states that she was creeped out by her son's comment, but it's what happened later that day that creeped her out the most.
Oh, he just thought
After
he
playing
saw
in the
someone
pool,
in there.
they both go inside to dry up when Rowan walks over to the dining room where the figure was seen and stares at something for a very long time. Unsure as to what he was seeing, she asked him if there was something there, to which he nodded and said, "I could see a man with big black hair." He then says that he looks like a
Dude, this is just B-roll and like bad storytelling. And the kid's testimony, I believe you that he said that. I don't know. I just don't know who it could be in there. Like, I don't know if she walked through and he thought it was her, like, no idea. How am I supposed to know?
he saw.
You don't even have the video. Oh yeah, and then it's because of this artifact that we have.
It's called a unity carving. See?
I do actually kind of believe that y'all bought that thing thinking it was cute, and then it turned out to be terrible, so you had to throw it away. There's some weirdos out today, dude, I swear. Alright.
This last video was posted by David Stenberg, who owns a dog that, according to him, has been acting very strange. David had filmed the following video and
No, he's cute.
writes, "This is the only recorded example of this behavior, but it has happened in the middle of the night, the middle of the day, and in several rooms of the house."
I'm past my bedtime, I guess. Holy shit. I keep yawning. What was I going to say? Oh, yeah, so this happens all the time. That's basically what I'm getting from this. This happens regularly, and here's another example.
This is what he caught on camera.
Hey. He wants to play.
Get in here. Get in here.
Oh. He don't like it.
Get in here. What is the deal? Astrid, you're freaking me out. Come here. Come here.
For some reason, David's dog will not go in the room.
Also, though, I don't know if you've just trained him not to go into your room. I've seen that. I had a friend that had a dog that wouldn't go into the kitchen, and he wouldn't go upstairs because they had, stairs, and the dog knew he was not supposed to go upstairs. I don't know how they got that message across, but the dog knew.
There doesn't appear to be anything threatening inside.
So I don't know if he's just like using that. But I mean, I don't know. I just need more context for that. Otherwise, that would be scary. Like if my dog was acting up, I'd be like, what's going on here?